Today I'm finishing my St. Patrick's Day decor, and I'll be sharing 2 projects with you. At the end, I'll be showing my decorated coffee bar, so stay tuned. Today's video is part of a challenge that's hosted every month by these lovely ladies from Deco Easy. It's called Sunday Funday, which is pretty much a free-for-all for whatever you want to post. Links for their channel and this playlist are in the descriptions. My name is Leah, and this is JunkerNecker, where I love making budget decor. The first project I'm sharing is faux cupcakes. This is my first time making them, and this is what I'll be using. I just got an old muffin tin and put these cupcake liners, papers in, and weighted down the bottom a little bit with the pebbles. Now be careful when you spray if you've got this type of the sealant, because it comes out really fast. I left them outside for about 4 hours, and this is what they look like. That big puffy one on the bottom left is the one where I just went trigger happy and it went crazy. So I cut that one down a little bit. It cuts really easy with a knife, and I probably should have cut it down level with the cupcake liner, but live and learn. Now this is what you need for the frosting. I mixed some white paint, about a tablespoon, with the lightweight spackle. Otherwise it would have looked kind of gray. And I wanted my cupcakes to be neutral so I could use them different seasons. That's why I left the cake part yellow and made the white icing. Now I'm using a metal tip, but I didn't have the bakery bags, the right frosting bags, so I'm just going to put it inside a Ziploc bag. I cut a hole in the corner and poke that inner piece on, and I'm using the little star tip that came in the frosting tips. Yeah, get all the air out and then just start frosting. Now be careful that you don't add too much paint, because if you get too liquid of a consistency, when they dry they're going to go flat. They won't hold the decorated look, if that makes any sense at all. So there they are. Yeah, the puffy one I really needed to cut down lower, but for my first time doing the cupcakes, I think they turned out pretty good. I know they'll get better in time the more that I make them. So my second project is making some coffee mugs to match my St. Patrick's Day decor. Now this is important. Do it outside because it's messy. I dropped a plastic cup inside of my mugs and then just taped it off with some painter's tape. And that gave a seal that the paint couldn't get inside the mug. Now I'm just adding different shades of green nail polish to the water. And the water was about 2 inches deep in this pan. And then dip the mug, and it's supposed to look marbled, but mine didn't turn out as well as I hoped. But then again, it's my first time doing the project, and it will get better the more I practice. There I'm just doing more mugs, just splattering the nail polish on top of the water and scooping it up. Now once I got all 4 of them done, I turned them upside down to dry. Left the tape and everything on. Left them outside to dry because it was a nice 70 degrees this day. I just splatter the nail polish in and dip the mug. There we go. Yeah, there I was just trying to get that little bit that was still left. Use a pan that you don't mind throwing away, and yes, it gets messy. Gloves would be in order for this project. So the mugs didn't turn out marbled like I was hoping for, but you know, that's my first attempt. Live and learn. and next time it'll be better. So here's my coffee bar. We'll start at the top. It's all thrifted and DIY stuff. Those two signs I made in another challenge. I've got a little thrifted vase up there with clover. The round thing to the left there is a candle that I've lost the wick for. So it's decorative only now. I have all my greens in here. A little bucket that says be awesome today. You should be awesome every day. My Starbucks bag. And where do you get Irish cream? From Irish cows, of course. That's not my only pun on the coffee bar. Can you guess what she is? She has red hair, yes, but she's a wee little lass. A wee little lass with her tea set. Such a tiny wee little lass. There's a Dollar Tree sign, coffee, the other vitamin C. I've got my faux cupcakes down here on top of the microwave that shares the coffee bar. Here I've got flavored creams and sweeteners in some beer mugs, straws. Down front we've got my pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And that's about it. My coffee, tea, and creamer are in those canisters. There's some little pins with Irish sayings. And my coffee pot's ready with a little green cup there. So that is all for today. I hope you like my coffee bar. I sure do. I love it. I think it's very festive. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time visiting, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Now check out the playlist. If it doesn't work in the descriptions, I'm also leaving a playlist in the pinned comments. You can check there. Have a great day, everyone.